I love you, little man. And I know you love me too.
I don't know what you mean. What does love mean?
It's in your heart. Don't you feel anything in your heart?
No?
Do you feel anything at all?
No.
I don't believe that. So this isn't goodbye, okay? I'll see you again real soon. Up high.